What could Jay Gatsby, the self-invented millionaire, possibly have to talk with Offred, a handmaid trapped in a dystopian nightmare? On the surface, their worlds are planets apart. But when you place The Great Gatsby next to The Handmaid's Tale, they begin a fascinating conversation about one of our deepest questions: who am I? This is the power of thematic comparison. It's not about just saying both books are about identity. That's the starting line. The real analysis begins when we ask how they explore it and why their approaches are so different. Each book becomes a unique lens for the other, revealing insights you'd never find by reading them in isolation. Take identity. Gatsby's story suggests it's a performance. He invents a new self, funded by ambition, but his past and his social class create invisible walls he can never scale. He can perform a new identity, but never truly transform. In contrast, The Handmaid's Tale shows identity being systematically stripped away by a totalitarian state. Offred's name is gone, she's reduced to a reproductive function, but she resists through memory, preserving her core self internally. The dialogue between these two approaches is electric. Gatsby tries to build an identity from the outside in, while Offred fights to protect hers from the inside out. Together, they show that identity is a constant, tense negotiation, a contested territory between our own will and the powerful forces of society. This method works for any theme. Instead of saying the theme is love, we can ask how its meaning shifts from a spiritual ideal in a medieval romance to a complex psychological reality in a modern novel. The comparison reveals how even our most natural emotions are shaped by culture and time. Ultimately, putting two stories in conversation isn't about finding a simple answer. It's about understanding the complexity of the question.